Ever wondered about natural remedies for a healthier stomach? Here are 3 quick tips. First, ginger. A powerhouse root, it aids digestion and combats inflammation. Second, peppermint. More than just a fresh breath, it soothes stomach muscles and improves digestion. Finally, fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. They promote a healthy digestive tract. Remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new regimen. Now you're one step closer to a healthy gut. Stay tuned and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Your body will thank you.